How to withdraw from Bybit to another wallet. Now, first of all, open your Bybit app and make sure to log in to your account. Now, after that, tap on Assets and now tap on Withdraw. Now, after that, in the search bar, you can search for your token that you want to withdraw. For example, USDT. Now, after you find your token, now just tap on it. And now after that, you need the address and you need the network to set it. Now set the network. I will set the B or the Ethereum or ERC. Now after that, to get the address, we need to get it from another wallet. Now for example, I will use the Tonekeeper. Now open your wallet. Now to get the address of that USDT that you want to withdraw to your wallet, you need to go to your wallet and select the USDT. So after you select it to get the address, you need to tap on Receive. As you can see from here, you can copy the address by typing or by tap on Copy. Now go back to your Bybit account, and here you can paste the address of that you copy from your wallet. And here you can see the amount that you want to withdraw. And after that, tap on Withdraw and you can withdraw from your Bybit to your wallet. In this case, it will be done. So this is how to withdraw from Bybit to another wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe.